He's famous when he's fluent and on multiplayer servers you want to troll your friends but your friends know all those tricks. I got a place to you, but this is not originally my own idea. So yeah, so this is just a normal thing. You can just cover it up or what, I don't care. So it's like la 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 la, then suddenly see this? Oh, Kyoto! Bam! Yep, your friends blow up. So yeah, you want to make it right. Yep. So first, you need 2 blocks of iron. Delete this one. You can put anything you want. Oops. Yeah, I'll let you put the dispenser going this way. This way, right? Yeah, this way. And then after that, you put a door. And then you put a button. See, nothing happens. You can put TNT inside. Then it will happen. Spider, you can move inside more. Boo you, spider, boo you. You can also make the same thing. I haven't tried it, but I hope this works. Do the same thing. Lava. Yeah, I'm thinking this can work. So like your friend goes there, like, oh, okay. Then TNT then. Yeah. So you can't use lava, you can only use TNT or stuff where the thing can blow up. So if you install any like blowing stuff mod, where you throw it and the thing goes kaboom, yeah, I can do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Please put a like, please subscribe, and peace out. Hahaha. Yay, spider, you want to follow me, right? Yay, my pet spider. Boop.